Namaste. This is Marjari Kriya. Also, sometime in English called cat pose, but is having active movement, so we call Marjari Kriya. Marjari Kriya you can do in many ways. You can do your knees and palms on the ground and going back and forth. But if you have wrist issues, you also can do sitting pose. You can do sitting into the Vajrasana like this. Or you can do in simple Sukhasana, then you can do this way. So then you can do in many ways Marjari Kriya. So what is the benefit of the Marjari Kriya? Marjari Kriya has so many benefits. Let's start on the physical body. It is work on your whole spine. It maintain good health of your spine. It work on your whole back muscles, preventing back issues. If you have back issues, it's heal. It is work on your digestion system. You're going back and forth, is massaging your whole digestive organs. It prevents constipation. It is really good for diabetes because it's directly working on your pancreas. It also is working on your thyroid, parathyroid gland. It is working on your lungs while you are breathing in and out, is activating your respiratory system. Marjari Kriya also is so good for all 7 major chakras. Marjari Kriya, one of my favorite Kriya. Like if someone asks me, I have only 5 minutes to do yoga. So I will say Marjari Kriya is the best one and simple one, and is good for everybody. Beginner can do it, and advanced practitioner also can do Marjari Kriya. And then Marjari Kriya, you start from 1 minute to go 3 minutes. Now is what is the common mistake people do while they are doing Marjari Kriya? One is when they are doing slow speed. So Marjari Kriya you can do in the slow speed, and also you can do active speed. If he is doing the slow speed, so a common mistake is the shoulder and wrist is not in one line, or palms together too close or too wide. So your wrist and shoulder in one line, your knees and hip is in one line. So that is the checkpoint. When you're doing the movement within your spine, so use your head to move first, and then the last is come your tailbone. It looks like that. You inhale, raise head, navel down, tailbone up. When you're moving your head, let's exhale, bring head down, your belly goes in, tailbone goes in. So inhale, raise head, navel down, tailbone up. So you use your head to move your spine. When you're doing the active Marjari Kriya, so sometimes people go too fast, so there is no syncing your movement and breath. Sometimes people just move the head. It's not about just moving the head, it is whole spine. So make sure your whole spine is moving. Instead of going faster, start with slow and then going active. That's very important. You can go slow. As you feel comfortable, then you start to go faster. So that is the precautions. Now, benefit. We already talked lots of benefit, but this is really, really good to activate your spine, activate your respiratory system, work on your digestion system, work on your gland system, work on your chakras. It's just magic. You do every day 1 to 3 minutes, and you can do 3 rounds or 5 rounds. Let's the practice now. I will start with the first slow, then I will guide you into the active breathing one. Okay? Let's palms on the ground, front of you. Just check the wrist and shoulder in one line. Spread your finger, equal weight on both feet. Knees and your hips is in one line. Slightly open your knee, just hip distance wide. Next inhale, let's raise your head, navel down, tailbone up. As you exhaling, bring head down, around your back, tuck tailbone in. Inhale, raise head, navel down, tailbone up. Exhaling, bring head down, chin to the throat, squeeze belly in, tuck tailbone in. Inhale, raise head, navel down, tailbone up. Exhaling, round your back. Beautiful. You do this for 7 to 15 to 20 rounds. That is really good for your spine. Now let's do active one. Plus palms on the ground for active Marjari Kriya, active cat pose. Let's start. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, look up. Hold breath in for a moment, looking up, and just feel loss of pranic sensation. Inhale up. Now knees together. Exhaling, come into child pose. Stretch hands forward and bring head down, or palms underneath of your forehead. Breathing into your spine, smooth, longer and happier. Feel you are healing your spine, your back. You healing your digestive organs. You healing your diabetes. Continue happier breathing. You healing your thyroid, parathyroid gland. Next inhale, let's raise your head and slowly come up. Few deeper happy breathing. Now you're ready to do next things. And from here you can do many combinations. I use this in my yoga classes in many different ways. Namaste and have a beautiful, happy day. Hari Om Tat Sat.